Vehicle information. Brand, Isuzu truck. Model, NPR. Year, 2016. ECU, Denso. Service, EGR, DPF, SCR Delete. Problem, emission light on. Have P225E, NOx sensor offset high error, sensor 2, and truck in derate mode. Solution, modified ECU file to disable EGR, DPF, SCR System. Result, no emission light, no fault, EGR, DPF, SCR System. No derate mode,